Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and today we're in another crawl space. We're going to walk you through this one, show you the pros and cons of what's going on in here, and some of the things that you should think about when it comes to encapsulating your crawl space, and when to do it. So we'll do that right after this. Okay, so one of the first things that I've noticed crawling in this crawl space is some companies like to tell people that this is mold that's growing on the block wall, when in reality it's just efflorescence. It's just a salt mineral deposit that comes from the block being wet, and as it evaporates, it leaves that behind. This causes no structural damage, nor does it pose a health hazard, but it is an indication that moisture is coming through that block. But not that big of an issue, and easily solved if the block is just completely, sealed. Other than that, I've crawled this entire crawl space. There's really no water that is really coming through here. Like I said, it's just a little bit of efflorescence on the block. The insulation looks really good. There's actually really no fungal growth in here. So this crawl space is really in a good condition. This is perfect for encapsulation because it's being done early. The HVAC system is in great condition. None of the trunk lines or anything are damaged. And when you have a vapor barrier in here and have a proper dehumidifier installed controlling the relative humidity, and a 24-hour monitoring system that will alert if any issues arise. Other than that, everything is really good here. Now, because it's being done early in the preventative stage and no mold remediation needs to be done or anything like that, this customer is saving thousands and thousands of dollars, and it's a pretty good sized crawl space. So I could even estimate that it could be anywhere from up to maybe even $6,000 that this customer is not having to spend because they're doing the preventative side and not having to do a remediation on top of the encapsulation. So that is definitely something to think about, and we'll get this customer all taken care of. Thank you for watching this. If you're on Facebook, please hit the like and share button. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and drop us any comments below with any questions you may have. Other than that, have a great day.